I see you found your way back to another CBD video. That's Country Boy Drones, and I am your pilot, JT. So I was hanging out taking pictures all day, random places across town throughout Dayton, a couple small towns along the way home, and I was out taking pictures next to a local McDonald's in a small town close to my house. The cop pulled up and he says, "Are you okay?" I said, "I'm doing just fine." He says, "Oh, you're flying your drone." I said, "That's what I'm doing." And he took off. Nice guy. So I decided to follow him to see if he was okay. Looking at this video here, I'm not sure that he is. He was driving down the middle of the road all the way down one of the main roads into town. And I follow him a couple miles out. He makes a right here, and he's back on the yellow line. I wonder if he is okay. Like, he literally drives the yellow line most of the way. I don't know about you, but I know I'd get a ticket if they seen me doing that. So in case you haven't figured it out, he is the guy at the intersection there at the stop. Crosses the intersection, and we are back to riding the yellow line. It's a pretty wide road. I'm not sure why he's riding that line like that. I mean, look at that. Completing the other lane right there. Then we come to a stop sign. Well, maybe it was just a suggestion. A little California rolling stop there going on. And we're pulling into the Platte. You know, the crappy part about this video is when I started following, I had less than 50% battery left. So when he gets up here and makes a left, I have to return the drone home. Which sucks, because I wanted to follow him as far as I could. But once I got about right here, I actually lost connection. I'm not sure if it was due to the fog, but I knew right before I lost connection, I gave it the command to return home. The weird thing is, I have no connection at this point, and watch what the drone does. It looks left and then right like it's got to figure out where it's at. And then it starts following the path that I took to get out there. Again, I have absolutely no control. And then finally, it comes to a stop. And you can see the RTH kick in right here. Quick shot to the left. Camera goes up, and she's coming home. Flying through this fog is actually pretty cool. When I start to come out of it and descend, the town actually looks beautiful out there. And the camera is shooting some very nice footage. Now, none of this is color corrected. I mean, it's not the best film, but it's actually some pretty nice footage coming out of the fog into town. The colors are pretty vibrant. I don't know, I just think it's some neat footage. I wish I could have actually flown more today, but it started out pretty nice and then it got really crappy really quick, and there was a very, very light mist all throughout the day. So I wasn't going to mess up my P4P because I actually had problems with it yesterday when I was flying. The battery I think actually caught on fire. It took me a couple minutes to get it out of the drone because it had melted itself inside. So I called the place I bought it, and they were actually pretty concerned, so they'd never seen that before. I shot them an image and texted it over to them, and they were pretty surprised. So the drone's actually flying just fine, but I'm going to get it back to them. They're going to get it into the manufacturer, see what's going on with it, and get me a new drone and a new battery out. So I'll keep it over the holiday and use it for what I need it for, and then I'll get my new one next week. So this is the end of the flight. I'm on this side of the highway, so I'm going to go ahead and descend, pack it up, and then I actually went looking for the cop so I could show him that I was following him around, but I couldn't find him. By the time I had packed everything up and got out there, he was gone. Anyway, that will conclude this video. I truly appreciate each and every one of you for stopping by and checking out my videos. Please comment, like, or subscribe below. As usual, that really does help me a lot. Hopefully I get you guys back here to see the next one. Happy holidays to all of you and your family. Wishing you a safe Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's. And until I see you next time,